Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best airline fittings is probably one of the most overlooked components in any workshop or garage, but choosing the right ones can make a huge difference in your workflow. From connecting air compressors to powering pneumatic tools, these small connectors are the unsung heroes of efficiency. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of airline fittings, exploring the different types, materials, and sizes to help you make the perfect choice for your needs. Number 5. Hromee Airline Tubing Kit, 1/4-inch. Tired of moving your compressor around? This kit allows you to design and install your own pressurized air system. It helps you keep your workspace clean and organized. This tubing is made of durable PU material, offering high flexibility and oil resistance. It has a length of 32.8 feet and can withstand a maximum working pressure of 120 psi. The working temperature ranges from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The kit includes various push-to-connect fittings for easy installation and removal, ensuring a good seal. It comes with splitters, elbows, T's, and unions. Remember to use seal tape on the threads to prevent leaks. Simply push the tubing firmly into the fitting to create a seal. Removing the tubing is just as easy. A cutting tool is included to help you customize the tube length. You can purchase additional fittings to customize your airline installation based on your needs. This is a perfect solution for garages, workshops, and barns, providing a flexible and adaptable air system. What we like. This kit offers everything you need to set up a custom airline system. It includes flexible PU tubing and various fittings, making installation a breeze. If you are looking to organize your garage or workshop with a clean and efficient air system, this is a great choice. What people say. This kit includes 32.8 feet of high-quality 1/4-inch, 6.35 mm, OD polyurethane, PU, tubing, known for its flexibility, strength, and resistance to kinks, making it ideal for air tools, pneumatic equipment, and more. With 14 pieces of push-to-connect fittings, you'll have everything you need to create reliable, leak-proof connections without the need for extra tools or complicated installations. The push-to-connect design ensures a secure, quick assembly, and the fittings are compatible with a variety of air compressors, spray guns, and other compressed air devices. Number 4. TAILONZ Push-to-Connect Fittings PC 14N2 plus PL 14N2. Introducing the TAILONZ Push-to-Connect Fittings. These fittings are designed for quick and easy connections, saving you time and effort. They are perfect for various pneumatic applications. Made from high-quality copper and plastic, this product ensures durability and long-lasting performance. It is built to withstand demanding conditions, providing reliable connections. This fitting features a 1/4-inch tube outer diameter and a 1/4-inch NPT thread. Please note that the NPT thread size is a nominal pipe size and does not represent the actual diameter. The fittings can handle a maximum pressure of 145 psi. This makes it suitable for a wide range of pneumatic systems, ensuring safe and efficient operation. It can operate in temperatures ranging from 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide temperature range makes it versatile for different environments. This product is compatible with PU, PA, PE, and PVC tubes. This versatility allows it to be used in various applications, providing a secure and reliable connection. What we like. These fittings combine elbow and straight connectors in one. Made from durable copper and plastic, they are built to last. If you need a simple and reliable solution for connecting airlines in tight spaces, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The fittings are well made and fit perfectly. They are exactly what I needed and work great. Number 3. Hotop 60 PCS Pneumatic Fittings Kit. This kit includes 60 pieces of pneumatic fittings. It comes with various types to meet different piping needs. You'll find everything you need for your pneumatic projects. The fittings are made of high-strength plastic. They are designed to securely connect to gas pipes. The sealing elements ensure a leak-proof performance, providing durability and a long service life. Installation is simple, just push the tube into the fitting. Removing the tube is also easy with the release ring. These fittings are designed for convenient and hassle-free operation. The kit offers 4 different fitting types: T, elbow, Y, and straight. These allow you to change directions after installation. They can be easily inserted and removed without extra tools. These push-lock fittings are suitable for air pipes and pneumatic tools. They are perfect for connecting pipes and various pneumatic components. Each model serves its own specific purpose. What we like. This kit provides a wide variety of fittings, including T's, elbows, and straights, to meet diverse pneumatic piping needs. They are easy to connect and disconnect, saving you time and effort. If you have a complex air system or need flexibility in your setup, this kit will be a great help. What people say. The fittings are well made and appear to be durable. They fit perfectly and do not leak. The threads are clean and the fittings screw in easily. Number 2. LEMATEC 15 PC Air Compressor Fitting Kit. This kit includes 15 pieces of air compressor fittings. It comes with various connectors and fittings, providing everything you need for your air tools. Made from heavy-duty solid copper, it resists corrosion and rust. This ensures reliable operation and dependable performance for all your air tools. The male threads have pre-applied sealant, and Teflon tape is included to prevent air leaks. The quick connect fittings also have a sleeve guard to minimize the risk of disconnection. Featuring 1/4 NPT air fittings and a quick connect design, it supports high-demand air tools. This ensures optimal airflow for your pneumatic tools and compressor systems. These air hose connectors work with most standard air tools. It also comes with an organized storage case to keep everything secure and enhance flexibility. What we like. This kit includes a variety of fittings and connectors, ensuring you have everything you need for your air compressor setup. The solid copper construction resists corrosion and ensures reliable performance. If you want a complete and reliable kit for your air tools, you should consider it. What people say. The fittings are well made and fit perfectly. They are exactly what I needed to connect my air tools. The product works as advertised. Number 1. Push to connect tube fitting 1/4 tube ODX14 NPT. This is a quick and easy solution for connecting air tools. It's designed for efficiency and reliability in your pneumatic systems. The fitting features a male straight design. This allows for a secure and straightforward connection, ensuring a tight seal. Made from quality plastic and stainless steel, it's built to last. These materials ensure durability and resistance to wear and tear. Installation is a breeze, and removal is just as simple. The design offers a good seal, preventing leaks and ensuring optimal performance. It handles air and vacuum with an operating pressure up to 150 psi. The working temperature ranges from 0 to 60 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for various applications. Each package includes 10 pieces of these essential tube fittings. They are compatible with PU, PA, PE, and PVC tubes, ready for your needs. What we like. These fittings are easy to install and remove, providing a good seal for your air lines. Made of quality plastic and stainless steel, they are built to last. If you are looking for a simple and reliable solution for your air tool connections, it is a great choice. What people say. The fittings are well made and appear to be durable. The threads are clean and the fittings seal well. They work perfectly for my air compressor setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.